Hey guys, welcome back to my channel in another video. In this video I'm just going to be sharing some of my favorite lip combos, so let's go. So the first lip combo is you just need a brown lip liner. I am using the lip liner from the brand Mars, and it is in the shade cocoa butter, I think. So let's go. So you just have to overline your upper lip for that pouty kind of a effect, and the lower lip just the usual, but you just have to make it a little darker for the beautiful shade to come up. Okay, so I have lined my lips. As you can see, my lips looks so much fuller than the usual lips that I already have. So this is how it turned out. I think that turned out really pretty, and this is the product, and I'll be tagging all the products in the description. You can, if you want to have them, you can get it. And for the lipstick, I'm using this lipstick from the brand Swiss Beauty, and it is in the shade Bear. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. If you keep on watching my videos, you know that this is my favorite shade for the lipsticks. See, this is how it turned out. Lip combo is bomb. It gives really nice nude or nudie kind of a effect. You can keep it like that only, but if you want glossy lips, you can definitely add some gloss. So I'm using this clear gloss. It's same from the brand Swiss Beauty. So this is how the shade turned out. I think it's looking really pretty and one of my favorites. So let me know if you also like the shade in the comment section. And these are the products. Everything is so affordable. You can definitely get them as per your budget. Let's move on to the next shade. So the next shade also needs a brown lip liner. I'm using the same brown lip liner I have used in the first lip combo. So you just have to do the same step again. You have to make your lips look fuller from the upper lip as well as the lower lip. You just have to line it, because we are going to do the second shade, which is like a ombre kind of a red look. So for ombre effect, we are making the same. And for that, I'm using this lipstick. It's from the brand Swiss Beauty, and the shade is Raspberry. I think the shade gives a really nice maroon kind of a red that mixes with brown, and it gives this beautiful shade out of it. So I'm using this ombre kind of a effect. You can definitely make some changes in these combos according to your preferences. I do really like this one. As you can see, this is how it turned out. Let me know if you are liking these kind of shades. So these are the products. You can definitely see the lip liner is same and the lipstick is different. Raspberry one, I think in this shade 207 Raspberry. Okay, so let's move on to the next shade. So the third shade also includes the same brand, which is Mars, which is like super affordable, and this is not a sponsored video, obviously. So let's move on. So I'm using the different lip liner. It's from the brand same like Mars, and the shade is, I think, Spell Nude. This is also like really beautiful lip liner, you know, after brown lip liner, obviously. So I'm just overlining my lips like this, and I think I'm an expert now lip liners lagane mein. I've been an expert. And for lipstick, I'm using the Mars one, which is like Mousse one. I'll be tagging it. I don't remember the exact shade, but this gives a really nice orangish kind of a shade, which looks super beautiful. As you can see, it gives you a really fuller kind of a effect. So this is how it turned out. I think it turned out really pretty. And I really like these are my favorites. So these are the products. This is matte mousse, and I just want them to actually sponsor me because I really like them products. See, this is how it turned out. Let me know in the comments as well. So let's move on to the next shade, for which I'm using lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, and the lip liner is from, I think, the same brand. So for that, like, next shade, I'm using this lipstick. It's from Inside, and the shade is, I think, Rosy Dusk or something like that. It is like super pigmented, so I'm using a little bit and blending it with my fingers for that blurry effect. As you can see, I have like blurred out easily. And we're using a lip liner, like we're just putting a little bit of lip liner on the lower lip as well as the upper lip, and we're using the same technique in all the lip combos to make it like more fuller and pouty effect. We're going to up, little bit overlining upper lip. As you can see, I'm using the same technique, and after using lip liner we're just going to be blending it with our fingers to make it even out and looks really natural, kind of a pinky effect. See, this is how it turned out. I think this also looks really pretty. You can definitely try out these if you have the same skin tone and if you like these kind of lip combos. So these are the products. I'll be tagging each and everything. I think this gives really nice flashy kind of a effect, fresh dewy kind of a effect. So let's go for the next lip combo, for which I'm using lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Hira, and the lip liner is from the brand Mars as well. Like all the products are really affordable. Mostly the lip combos that I'm sharing here is from the brand Mars, Inside Cosmetics and Swiss Beauty. Okay, so the first one that we have done the lip combo, we're using the same technique. We're using the same lip liner and overlining and blending it with our fingers for that sweet kind of effect, and taking a little bit of the shade because this is also really pigmented. As you can see, it gives a really nice maroon red kind of effect, and blending it with my own fingers for the natural and fleshy look. And it also turned out really pretty and a little bit kind of a ombre. This is how it turned out, and I think this also looks really pretty. Okay, so let's move on to the next shade, for which I'm using the Mars one lip liner that I've used, Nude Spell, and a lip balm. Okay, so my lips are super dry right now, using all the products and removing it again and again. So the last lip combo will be a little nourishing. For that I'm using this Laneige lip balm, which will give a really juicy kind of a effect. You can definitely use a gloss as well, but I'm using a lip balm here. This is it. I think this is in the shade Glossy Candy. It gives really like a tasty kind of a smell. You just want to lick that off. So yeah, you can definitely use any other lip balm as well, or any kind of a gloss, clear or pink kind of a gloss. So this is how it turned out. I think this looks really nourishing and juicy on the lips. You can definitely try out these lip combos, and hopefully you enjoy watching this video. If you really did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.